Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to go step by step on how to use Canva to design a flyer. Whether you're creating a flyer for an event, business, or personal project, this tutorial will make it super easy. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open Canva and head over to the Templates section. In the search bar, type flyer to browse through thousands of pre-made designs. Step 2. Now you have two options. You can either start from scratch with a blank template or choose a pre-designed flyer that best suits your style. Once you find one you like, click on it, then hit Customize to start editing. Now it's time to make it your own. You can double-click on any text to change it, select elements to move or delete them, and even add new images, icons, or shapes. Play around with colors, fonts, and layouts until you get the perfect design. Step 4. Once you're happy with your flyer, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then select Download to save it to your device. You can choose different file formats like PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on what you need. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.